In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch videos in CapCut PC. If you've ever dropped a narrow or pillar-boxed clip onto a widescreen project and been left with those empty black bars on the sides, this is the quickest way to make your footage fill the entire frame without jumping through hoops. Start by clicking your clip in the timeline so it's clearly selected. This tells CapCut you want to adjust that specific piece of media. Now look to the top right of the screen for the Properties panel. Make sure you're under Video, then open the Basics section. You'll find a group called Position and Size. Right there, you'll see a small blue link icon. Click it once to turn it off. That single click unlocks the clip's proportions, meaning width and height are no longer tied together, and you can stretch the video horizontally without changing its vertical size. As soon as you disable the link, CapCut reveals a separate width control. This is the key. With the link off, move to the width slider and drag it to the right. Watch your preview as you slide. The video stretches outward, quickly filling the black canvas on both sides. Go just far enough to remove the bars, or push it further if that suits your style. Because only the width is changing, the height stays consistent with your project's frame, so you won't accidentally crop the top or bottom. A couple of practical tips while you adjust. Use smooth, gradual movements on the slider and keep an eye on important details in the frame, like faces or text, to avoid exaggerating them more than you want. If you go too far, don't worry. Simply nudge the slider back or use undo to step back. And if you plan to make uniform resizes later, consider clicking the link icon again afterward to relock proportions so future scaling behaves predictably. This method is non-destructive, fast, and perfect for quick widescreen fills, especially when you're matching mixed footage or reformatting older clips. There's no need for complicated effects or extra layers. Just unlock the link and slide the width. That really is all it takes to stretch your clips in CapCut on PC. To recap in one line, select the clip, open Video and Basic, turn off the link in Position and Size, and drag the width slider to the right until the canvas is completely filled. You're all set. Done.